One of the key outcomes for this training is to expand our perspective towards students when they display behaviors and or symptoms that are more closely related to the public and private trauma events they've experienced in their lives. We move away from a mindset and perspective of blame and shame. Instead, we ask ourselves, what happened to you? And how can we help you? Problem behaviors are a survival response for so many students. It's a call for adult support to help them regulate and or stay calm or use taught strategies in the moment. When we are trauma aware, we develop a trauma lens that truly embraces students for who they are and also comes from a place of understanding